What up mga solid subscribers, no? So yun na, kakauwi ko lang, let's go. So ito, nag-video agad ako kasi mahirap na, no? Pag ano, baka may bigla akong agenda, kaya sinabi ko hindi, pag-uwi ko, hindi, video na tayo agad. Okay guys, itong unang papanoorin po natin, no? Ito po yung All These Ladies po ng BGY on a performance. Ay hindi, dance practice po pala ito guys, no? Okay, so tara, ano patagalin pa to, no? Panoorin natin to. Init, ang init ngayon, ha? Sorry tayo, sorry. Oh, nice one, that's it. Oh! Tagmadandang, yung part na yan, tagmadandang. Good dala ng ano rin, kung paano nila sinabayan yung beat. It's getting serious. Ooh. Let's go. Ah, that was yes, smooth. Oh. Hey. Ito yung mga detalyeng hindi natin nakita guys, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo, kaya gusto ko talaga itong dance practice guys, no? Mas kitang-kita nyo siya, hindi siya, wala siya masyadong movement, mas stay put lang siya, no? So I think yung iba, mas prefer nila yung mga music video, performance video, pero kasi ako ewan ko lang sa ibang dancer, pero I think yung iba mag-agree sa akin na mas gusto namin yung dance practice kasi talaga mas makikita mo yung detalye ng steps, no? Mas makikita mo yung walang any movements, raw video lang po talaga, no? Although na syempre kinolor grade nila to, no? Pero alam mo yun, yung rawness ng video, no, nandito, kitang-kita mo, no, wala talagang movement or anything. Nice. Wow! Ang nasa blocks din, ha? Hey! Ang Cleo, ang angas, oh. Ang ganda pa rin tingnan, no? Ang galing na, oh. So, nag-stay sila ganyan, and then dito. Parang ganun pa rin yung formation, tapos may gisa sa gitna. Galing! Alam mo yung hindi sila, ito yung BGY, hindi talaga sila nag-i-stay sa isang lugar lang po talaga, no? Yung transitions nila guys, as in sobrang solid, no? Napaka iba yung transition, hindi lang siya basta-bastang punta rito, hindi talagang yung difficulty level guys, no? For me and creativity guys, no? Kasi kung ako guys, kung 5 lang ang gagawin kong blockies, 5 lang, no? Gagawin ko lang lagi diyan. Okay, switch, punta naman dito, punta dito, and then switch, yung dalawa dito, punta rito, nalang dito, punta dito, no? Parang gano'n, tas abante, tas next, switch, rotate, yung madali lang. Pero dito may kita mo, dito lang yung gumagalaw, tapos dito lang gumagalaw, tapos dito, no? So, ang creative, no? Kumbaga, even though na alam natin na 5 lang yung member nyo dito, no? Ang playful pa rin, para sa akin ang sarap niya pa rin panoorin, no? Kasi sobrang, para sa akin yun talaga, yung transition niya, sobrang solid.
Somebody do last night. Why am I in love again? Well, I'm ready by my side, and you know that.
Wait lang guys, may check lang po ako, wait lang. Okay, game. Chinek ko lang po ang aking mic, no? Naka siya, may lang lumalabas na ganun kanina, no? So medyo inayos ko lang, no? So ewan ko kung medyo iba yung quality kanina or hindi. Kung hindi, ibig sabihin solid, no? Let's go. Tayo na. Pero chinek ko kasi, basta may inayos lang ako, no? Okay, let's go. Tuloy-tuloy na ito. Yay! Balik tayo dun guys, ha? I think may yan, nandun ang travel si... Nice one, Nate. Nice one. Daming hold sa part na to, ha? Damn, those blockings, bro. Love the waitress where I go to eat, get dessert so I don't need to leave.
am. All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me. Say you feel it too. Say you feel it too. So baby, baby, baby.
Ang smooth ng guys, yung choreography na rito napaka-smooth, no? Hindi mo makikita dito yung choreography ng BGYO na detailed na steps, tapos yung ano, yung ta boom 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 ta boom. Dito more on ano siya, smooth movement siya, guys, no? And then yung galawan na, guys, napaka-swabe lang po talaga, no? Hindi siya yung bagsakan talaga na BGYO na sanay tayo, no? Iba-iba yung bagsakan dito, which is ang sarap tingnan, no? Kasi hindi awkward sa kanila tingnan. Ramdam mo na talagang inaral nila yung choreography, talagang na-master mo na nila bago nila i-release yung ano to, no? Itong dance practice na to, no? So kitang-kita mo talaga dun, guys, yung for me, ramdam na ramdam ko na talagang inaral po nila na hindi siya awkward tingnan, and then yung tama yung posture nila, hindi siya awkward talaga tingnan, no? Yun, doon mo kasi masabi, guys, kung inaral talaga ng isang dancer yung choreography, no? Kasi una-una sa lahat, kung ma-deliver ba niya with confidence. Pangalawa, kung yung posture ba niya is hindi awkward tingnan, no? Syempre, ang pinaka-normal is dapat kabisado mo yung timing, no, di ba? So, ayun yung pinaka, for me, doon masabi talaga, guys, kung talagang minaster talaga ng isang dancer yung isang choreography, no? Pero, based sa akin nakikita, talagang inaral talaga ng BGYO to, guys.
Around my mind, got me losing track of time. I can't
Nice.
help but fall in love every time. A lot of pretty ladies, Casey, Tracy, the other one is Daisy. They got me going crazy. All these girls on my mind. Damn, that girl is dangerous. I don't know if I can handle this. I can't help but fall in love every time. Shawty, you the one I want. That's why that I'm in love with all these ladies. Got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do. All these ladies, please somebody save me. Say you feel it too.
Nice one.
Say you feel it too. So baby, 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 please. You got me, got me, got me, got me on my knees. All these ladies got me going crazy. Don't know what to do. Don't know what to do.
Grabe. Ang ganda nun, guys, no? Ibang approach ulit ng BGYO yung pinakita ron, no? So, yun. For me, napakaswabe ng galaw, napakaswabe ng movements, no? And isa yun sa mga choreography na BGYO talaga na may kita may maturity nila, guys, pagdating sa pagbitaw na steps. Actually, hindi lang yung maturity pagdating sa steps sa pagsayaw, no? I think pati yung aura nila, no? May kita mo yung maturity talaga ng BGYO, no? Na kaya nilang ma-justify na ganun, or ma-justify yung choreography na kailangan ganito dapat yung feels nito, no? Which isa nakita naman na talaga na justify nila, guys, as in. So solid ng BGYO, no? So grabe, ang galing. Isa to, alam niyo naman, di ba? Lagi ko sinasabi sa inyo, BGYO talaga isa to sa mga P-pop groups talaga. Or for me, ang strengths ng BGYO talaga is yung details talaga nila pagdating sa pagsasayaw, no? Sobrang grabe yung detalye nila pagdating sa choreography, no? Okay, sige, may mga ibang P-pop group, guys, na detalyado rin sa sayaw, no? Pero may kanya-kanya silang strengths. For me, may kanya-kanya silang strengths, no? And ang BGYO, ang strength talaga nila, guys, is yung detalyado nilang choreography po talaga, no? Sobrang detalyado nilang choreography, no? Na hindi mo halos makikita sa ibang grupo po talaga, guys, no? Okay? Yan, for me, that's just my own observation, no? Ayan, solid talaga ng BGYO, no? Ayun, and kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring that notification bell para alam nyo pag ako nag-release ng bagong video, no? So this is Point of View signing out. Peace, bless you.